This tutorial demonstrates how to use the EKRA6M5 evaluation kit and DA14531 Pmod module to operate LED lighting from a smartphone via Bluetooth low-energy communication. Prepare the EKRA6M5 project and launch the FSP configuration editor. Add the GTL BLE abstraction module that controls DA14531 to the stacks listed on the Stacks tab. Go to the BSP tab and configure the stack size and heap size in the Properties view. Next, navigate to the Stacks tab and configure the pins and UART settings for the DA14531 Pmod module. Select the Pins tab, enable SCI 0, and select the pins you want to use. Disable SPI 1 to avoid pin conflicts. Configure the reset and RTS pins for the DA14531 Pmod module. Set P412 used as RTS to low output. Generate the code for the FSP. After configuring the FSP, use QE for BLE to create a custom profile. Open the Custom Profile Editing view, then select the project and the BLE module to work with. Right-click the profile node to add a new service. Set the service name and the abbreviation to use in the source files. Next, right-click the newly created service to add a new characteristic. Configure the characteristics and define the data. Go to the Peripheral tab and assign the device name to the Advertising Data field. Click the Generate Code button to generate the source code. Add code to call the generated app main function. In the callback function of the newly created service, add code to make the LED blink. Please refer to the release notes of QE for BLE version 1.7.0 and modify the generated code accordingly. Open our BLE serves.if.c and add code to allocate and free memory for the arguments of the RBLE GATS_GET_ATTR function. Locate where the RBLE GATS_GET_ATTR function is called and add the code accordingly. Build the project. Start debugging and execute the program. Download and install the Gap Browser app published by Renesas on your smartphone. Launch the app, find the device named in the advertising data field, and tap the blue icon on the right to connect. Once connected, tap on the characteristic row. Enter 01 in the text input area below the right button, and then tap the right button. LED 1 on the EKRA6M5 lights up due to the communication from the smartphone.